Number 1, assessment. Mr. Reyes can wash his car in 15 minutes, while his son takes twice as long to do the same job. If they work together, how many minutes can they do wash? So, represent, let X be the number of minutes they can do together, can do wash together. And then Mr. Ray can wash his car in 15 minutes. So this is 15 minutes it is the rate of Mr. Reyes. Mr. Reyes can wash his car. While his son Juan takes twice as long to do. So if Mr. Reyes can do it in 15 minutes times 2, so this is 30, so 1/30. His son's rate. In doing the same job. Okay. Then 1/x. 1/x is the rate or the number of minutes they can do wash together. Mr. Reyes and his son can wash the car together. For your solution, so Mr. Yes can wash his car in 15 minutes, can do the job in one job for 15 minutes, plus 1/30. One job takes twice the minutes of Mr. Yes, so 30 equals 1/x. So LCD again. So LCD is 30. 30 divided 15 is 2. 30 divided 30 is 1 times 1 is 1 equals 1/x. 3/30 equals 1x. Remove the denominator by multiplying the terms by 30x. So 30x divided 30 is x times 3 is 3x. Move to dire. 3x equals 30x divided x is 30 times 1 is 30. So to remove 3, divide both sides by 3. X equals 10. So if they work together, Mr. Reese and his son can wash the car in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. So write the label. Mr. Reyes and his son can wash the car together. To check if your answer is correct, check. So 1/15 plus 1/30 equals 1 over 10. LCD is 30. 30 divided 2 plus 1 equals 1 over 10. 3 over 30 equals 110. Okay, so to remove, you can apply cross multiplication. 30 times 1 is 30. 30. 3 times 10 is 30. Pwede po, aside from cross multiplication, you can also perform like this. Multiply the terms by the denominator. Pwede 30 divided 30 is 1 times 3 is 3. 30 divided 10 is 3 times 1 is 3. So the answer is 3 equals 3. Pwede ra po din ana. Pwede ra po cross multiplication. So pwede ra po din ani. So as long as magpareha sila kuan equals, so your answer is correct. Okay. Let's move to number 2. So number 1 is the assessment. Okay. So let's move to number 2. Pwede ra ni siya kanisi basig maglibog mo, pwede ra po cross multiplication. Di na mo magamit are. Kung pwede ra po ka mag-divide, magkuan mo multiply both sides, kani inyong gamiton. So pwede ra po. Number 2. A boy can do a piece of work in 15 days, and his father can do it in 10 days. How long will it take them to do 3/4 of the work together? So, represent again. Let X be, saan naman yung atong pintel pin, sura ka surrender na, be the number of days. Number of days. The number of days the father and boys can work together. The boy and his father work together. Then one work the boy can do it in 15 days. It is the boy's rate, no? It is the days, the boy's rate. In doing a piece of work. And then his father is 1/10. Father's rate, this one is boy's rate. Father's rate in doing the same piece of work. Then, how long will it take them to do 3/4? So, 1/x, it is the number of days. The rate of the number of of days the boy and his father work together. Work together. Na, kasurindero ng pintil-pin, oy. For your solution, so 1 over 15 plus 1 over 10. So since it is 3/4 of the work, so mingon pa kag 3/4 ang ilang work rate sa work rate of number of days the boy and his father work together is 1 over x. So look for the LCD. LCD is 30. 30 divide 15 is 2 plus 30 divide 10 is 3 times 1 is 3. Then multiply this one. 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times x is 4x. 4x. So 2 plus 3 is 5 over 30 equals 3 4x. And then you can do multiply, cross multiplication, or multiply the terms, both terms, by multiply it by 4 times 30 times 4 is 369 to 120x. 120x. Pwede ba? 4. Dili mo agi ang 60. Pwede ang 60. Is 60 divisible by 4? Murag pwede. Kay dako ra ang 120. So pwede ra mo ani mangita og moagi sa 30 60 divide 4, pwede man siguro kung makakuan atong i-check ha. Kay dako ra ang 120. 60 divide 4 is 1 4 25. Pwede 15. So pwede ni 60x. Kay dako ra ang 120. So 60x divide 30 is 2x. 2x. 60x divide 30 is 2x. Times 5 is 10x. So 60x divide 4x is 15. Times 3 is 45. 45. Right? So, to remove 10, divide 10 both sides. X equals 4.5. 4.5. Ang saman to? 4.5 days. Ang label is the days the boy and his father can work together. The boy, kinahanglan na adjoy label. And his father work together. $60x ni siya. Okay, to check if the answer is correct, dali na lang likod. Check. So 115 plus 110 equals 3/4 1 over 4.5 days. So LCD is 30. Divide 15 2 times 1 2. 30 divide 10 is 3 times 1 is 3. Whilst i-multiply 3 times 1 is 3. So i-multiply ni nato siya 4 times 4.5. So 4.5 times 4 is 20, carry 1, 18. So the decimal point, so the answer is 18. 5 over 30 equals 3 over 18. So, mas madali siguro ato kaning i-cross multiply. Pwede raman or atong ikuan ang both sides. Pwede ra pod ato i-cross multiply. 5 times 18 times 5 is 40. Carry 1. 5 times 1 is 4 plus 9, 90. So, 90. Humana pod kanina pod imong nga pod may multiply. Pwede ra na siya nga rules. 30 times 3 is 90. So, dili gani mag-equals. Na wrong ang ato answer. So, kapag equals, so that means check. Ano na siya. Number 3. Let's go to number 3. Assessment number 3. An inlet pipe can fill a tank in 9 minutes. A drain pipe can empty, kani makapuno 9 minutes. Can fill a tank in 9 minutes. A drain pipe can empty the tank in 10 minutes. If the tank is empty and both pipes are open, so parehang open, how long will it take before the tank overflows? Kanus aka na sila mag-apaw-apaw na. So, represent, let X is the number of minutes. Number of minutes. Will it take before the tank overflows. And then 9 minutes may kapuno. 1 over 9 is the inlet pipe. Inlet pipe can fill a tank per minute. And then 1 over 10 is the drain pipe. Drain pipe can empty. So, appeal ni sa inyong answer. The tank per minute. One over X is the rate when both pipes are open. For your solution, so 1/9. Oh no. Solution is 1/9 kay kuan man ni siya. Can feel kaning drain pang empty, so kung kani pampuno kani panghubas, so kay mohubas man kuhaan, so minus we will not use plus. This is minus 1/10 equals 1/x. So LCD is 90 divided 9 is 10 minus 90 divided 10 is 9. 1x. To remove the denominator, you have to multiply both sides by 90x. 90x, balhin ta dire. 90x divide 90 is x na lang nahibilin. Nya, kay 10 minus 9 is 1, so x na lang. Equals 90x divided x is 90 times 1 is 90. So the answer is 90 minutes. 90 minutes. Tanga na ni mo siya diha unsa man ang 90 minutes. No? Diri ni mo hanapon. 90 minutes it will take before the tank overflows. Pag problem, butangan gyud og level. To check if your answer is correct, ari na lang ta sa likod mag-check. Check. Check. 1/9 minus 1/10 equals 1/90. So 90 mo nang i-substitute daan ng x. So LCD is 90 is 10 minus 9. 90 divided 10 is 9 times 1 is 9. So 1/90. 1/90 equals 1/90. Pwede na nimo siya i-cross multiply. 90 equals 90. So our answer is correct. Okay. Okay. Okay na. So let's move to assessment number 4. Maora mag-style sa problem tanan. Amy can graft a bougainvillea in 15 hours and her daughter, Shane, takes 10 hours to graft the same sized bougainvillea. How long will it take them to graft a bougainvillea together? So representing, let x be the number of hours needed by Ami and her daughter to graph a bougainvillea. Together. And then 1/15 Ami's rate in grafting bougainvillea. Then 1/10 his daughter Shane's rate in grafting Villia. So 1/x is the rate, is the hours, the rate of hours will it take them to grab bougainvillea together. Together. Solution. So 1/15 plus 1/10 equals 1/x. LCD is 30. LCD is 30. 1/15 plus 1/10 equals 1/x. 30 divide 15 is 2 times 1 is 2. 30 divide 10 is 3. Times 1 equals 3 equals 1/x. Then 5/30 equals 1/x by 30x. So 30x divide 30 is x of 5x. 30x divide x is 30 times 1 is 30. Divide both sides by 5. Then x equals 6. So this is the hours. Hours will it take them to graph bougainvillea together. To check if our answer 6 is ours is correct. So check. 1/15 plus 110 equals 1/6. LCD is 30. Divide 15 is 2 times 1 is 2. 30 divide 10 is 3 times 1 is 3. 1/6. 6 over 30. Oh no, 6. This is 5. 5. So this is 5 over 30 and 1 over 6. You can cross multiply, or you can multiply both sides by 36. Pwede po i-multiply na to by 30. Pwede ra. So 30 divide 30 is 1 times 1 is 5. 30 divide 6 is 5 times 1 is 5. So our answer is correct. Let's go to assessment number 5, the last one. Okay, number 5. Number 5, assessment. Anna can finish a certain job in 4 hours. On the other hand, Jay can finish the job in 3 hours, and also Mark can finish the job in 8 hours. How long will it take them to do the same job working together? Representation again. Let X be the number of hours will the 3 of them can do the job together. Will it take them, just copy what is asked, will it take them to do the same job working together? Then 1/4 Anna can finish a job. Jake 1/3 hours. Jake can finish a job. And then 1/8 Mark can finish the job, the same job. So combining all together, solution 1/4 plus 1/3 plus 1/8 equals 1/x. Okay, so find the LCD. LCD is 24. Wait, 24. 24. Divide 4 is 6. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 22, 24. So 8 plus 8 plus 3. 1 plus here 6 plus 8, 14 plus 3 is 17 over 24 equals 1x. Multiply both terms by 24x. 24x divided by 24 is x times 17 is 17x. 24x divided x is times 1 is 24. To remove the 17, divide both sides by 17. What remains is x equals, how many 17? 1 and 7 over 17 hours. So, this is your answer. The label is, will it take them? It take them to do the same job working together. So 1 and 7 over 17 hours. To check if this answer is correct, okay, check. 1/4 plus 1/3 plus 1 over 8 equals 1 over 1 and 7 over 17. LCD is 24. Right, 4 is 6 plus 8 plus 3 equals, change this to improper. Improper, 1 over 17 plus 7 is 24 over 17. So this is 14/17 over 24 equals 1 times 17 over 24, reciprocal. (24) equals 1 times 17, 17 over 24. So you can cross multiply or remove 24 equals 17 equals 17. So the same, so the answer is correct.